chicken to everyone, and today's video I'm gonna show you on how I feed my baby cockatiel bird. First, let me make the water hot. Actually, she doesn't need a hot, just a lukewarm water, so let's just do that. Let's just make the water hot. I'm using the drinking water. I never use tap water for my pets. So now I just make this hot, not so hot, just a little warm. And actually I'm using this. This is the Cerelac for the birds. As you can see, this is the Cerelac. So I'm using this one as well. So I think this is perfect now for the water. So it's easy for me. I'm just using the kettle actually. And then let's just do this one. Actually now it's 1 o'clock. Actually her food timing is 6 o'clock, maximum 7. Then that's for breakfast, and lunch is between 12 and 1, and then her dinner is between 7 and 8. Because she's having a snack, seed snacks in between of that. When she's not eating, actually she has some snacks, so I don't give her so during those time interval she's taking a snacks. I'm not also well actually, so I'm using this. So what I'll do here, just have to put some before I found this before I bought this Cerelac for the birds, the first one I'm using was, first I was using this baby Cerelac because I don't know where to get this, but then still you can still use this if you don't have any baby formula. You can still use this. Sometimes I'll mix this with this both two formula I make sometimes. So right now I'm using this other one. So that's it. So this is the water. I just make hot here a little bit. Actually, for the babies, not baby bird, you should give when you're giving the formula food for the baby bird, you should always use warm water. Now, as you can see how it is. This is like a Cerelac, like for babies. The same for the bird, consistency that you will give, the same one for the bird as well. But we cannot give him very hot, it should be warm. To check if this is okay, I just put 1 drop here on my finger in this side, and if it's a little hot for me, then I still have to not to give it to the bird. Just keep on stirring it so until it gets cool down a little bit. So I need to get some tissue. Yes, now he's crying. Now she's crying. Now she's hungry. Now she knows her food timing. Yes, coming. We should make sure that there should be no lumps in this one. Everything should be dissolve and well combine. So it's easy to digest of the, so the bird can easily digest it. Yeah. Wait. It's a little hot. Yes. Yes. What? Yes. Can we eat? He's here. Crying, crying. Still up. Wait. He's here. Wait. Shh. Yes. 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 You have to wait. Wait. Still hot, baby. Still hot. Wait. Okay. Ready? Come. I think she's done now. She doesn't want to eat now. You're finished? Come na. She's there, guys. I think she's already full. She doesn't want to eat more. You should not force your bird actually. Once she's done, means she's done. So like this, if she doesn't want it, that means she's done. So this is the leftover. And this one should be never given again. So what happened is, you should this leftover food should not be given again to the bird. All you have to throw this one, because once again, if you reheat this again, then all the nutrients, no, it will go. So only this is only first time use. So if you avoid, you cannot really avoid wasting, because there's sometimes that, let's say for me, like sometimes my bird is sometimes that she eats a lot in one meal, and sometimes on the next meal he eats less. So right now she eats like 10 to 15 ml. That much she could eat. So now once the crop, no, here, here's a crop here. Once it's like bloated, that means she's full. She's good to go. You should not force the bird, otherwise they will have this digestion problem, and that they will fall sick. Too much feeding, it make them sick, and eventually they will die. So that's it. So now it's 1:30. So later in the evening, I have to give her like around 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. So here you are. You see how you have witnessed or see how I feed my cockatiel bird. Actually, also, aside from the spoon, what I'm using right now is the spoon, because I am more comfortable using the spoon. And otherwise, also, you can use also syringe. But the reason for this is it's very hard and it's damaged. So I have to get the new one. But instead of getting the new one, I just use this spoon. This is actually my daughter's spoon. But I'm not using it right now for my daughter. Now it's for the bird. So spoon is okay, but then if it's like a 1 month old, and maybe few like 2 weeks like that, old baby birds, then you should use syringe only because they cannot still able to use the spoon. But what I have here is this is a 2 months old cockatiel bird. So he has a big mouth now, big beak, so he could able to use the spoon. She could able to use the spoon without struggling. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and I hope to see you to my next one. Bye!